In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply filters to Google Meet. If you've ever joined a video call and wished you looked a little more polished, or you just wanted to add a bit of fun with visual effects, Google Meet's built-in filters and effects can really help. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to find them, how to turn them on, and how to adjust them so they look natural and professional. First, open Google Meet in your browser and either join a meeting or start a new one. You can adjust filters before you join, or while you're already in the call. On the preview screen, before you click Join, you'll see your video feed. This is a great time to set everything up so you're ready the moment you enter the meeting. Look for the small icon that lets you open the visual effects panel. Depending on your version, this may appear as a sparkle or star icon, or you might need to click on the Apply Visual Effects option. If you're already inside a meeting, you can usually find it by moving your mouse to bring up the bottom toolbar, clicking on the three dots for more options, and then choosing Apply Visual Effects from that menu. Once the effects panel opens on the right side of your screen, you'll see several sections, usually including background blur, background images, filters, and sometimes styles or lighting adjustments. Start with the simple options first. For a professional look, try a light background blur. This keeps you in focus while gently hiding whatever is behind you. You can test different levels of blur until it looks natural and doesn't cut off your outline too much. Next, explore the filter section. These can range from subtle color and lighting adjustments to more playful overlays. If you're in a work or school setting, choose something soft and minimal, like a gentle color tone or a slight lighting enhancement. Save the more dramatic or animated filters for casual calls with friends. As you click on a filter, you'll see it instantly applied to your video preview. Take a moment to move around a bit, turn your head, and check that the effect keeps up with you and doesn't glitch or distract. If it looks too intense, switch to a lighter option or turn it off. Remember, you can always come back to this panel during the meeting to change or remove effects. Just reopen the Visual Effects menu, pick a new filter, or choose the option to turn them off entirely. Once you're happy with how everything looks, simply close the panel and continue with your meeting. That's all it takes to apply filters in Google Meet and give your video calls a more polished, customized feel.